request the cell phones to be on silent mode. And then please just raise your hand, wait for you to be recognized, and then state your name and then your organization, and then ask your question. So, wala pa tayong mic sa ano. Ito. Meron tayong roving mic. Thank you, Jamie. So, yes, the gentleman in red has a question.
Good afternoon. I would like to find out how many members are there in R2R, in Rags to Riches. By member, we mean people in the community that is involved. And number two, what was the mechanism to become business partners? What did you do for them to become business partners?
Okay, thank you very much for the question, sir. I didn't get your name. Albert, Sir Albert. Okay, first question is, how many members are there? So just to share with you, we recently established a cooperative. So they actually wanted to establish a cooperative, pero the cooperative members for now are around 60. The reason for that, but our members mas madami. The reason for that being not all of them are sold with the cooperative model because most of them were parts of cooperatives before as well that failed. So medyo sila takot na silang mag-co-op, but they still want to be members. But we also believe that there is a potential there na sana they will also decide to join the cooperative and we can both help each other in making it work for both of us. As for the members, we have around 300 already. Again, most of them didn't want cooperatives pa. So it's okay, we want to build success stories first and then try to get them in through the success stories and not just through forcing them to. As for the business partners part, in the beginning po, parang ano muna sila, we're sourcing materials, we're sourcing the products from them and really paying them the amount that they also said that they want to be paid. So we talked to them about it, it's a negotiation. But right now, since they've transitioned into a cooperative as well, they're going to be our business partner because they're going to be the supplier for Rags to Riches. So we can negotiate with them, they can negotiate with us, they can choose other clients, and we can always try to negotiate with them as well. But more than that, they also hold a percentage in Rags to Riches Incorporated. So they have their own cooperative which they own fully, and the cooperative is also a shareholder in Rags to Riches Incorporated. So actually, according to a cooperative expert, but if there are other cooperative experts here who can help us out, we talked to a cooperative expert, and according to her, this kind of business model, this kind of doing work with them, is not really usual. So hindi pa niya alam if something like this can work. So it's really, we don't have a working model that we're looking at and we're following yet. So we're really learning as we go along. I hope I answered your question, sir. Thank you.
Next question. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Please state your name, ma'am.
I just want to be clarified on the legal structure. Rags to Riches, I understand, is an NGO or
It's a corporation.
a corporation,
Yes.
and so there are a few stockholders. Then you mentioned members. The member you set up a cooperative, which is another entity, right?
Yes.
Okay. So the members whom you deal with, the nanays, they are the ones who are members of the co-op.
That's right.
Ganon. But the Rags to Riches remains as a closed corporation of how many stockholders?
Part of the stockholders is also the cooperative.
So
the
that's
cooperative,
one stockholder.
yes, that's one
Okay.
stockholder, and there are around eight, sorry.
Okay.
Yes, so a nanay in Payatas actually sits in the board also. So any business decision that we have, kung may sabihin siya, ay hindi yata okay yan for us, di hindi. So we have to talk to them about it and just really exchange ideas. So we always want them to be part of it because this is what we're doing. What we're doing is really something that we want for the people and for the planet at the same time. So
How much capitalization did you start with?
10,000 and then 100,000. After, when we wanted to incorporate already, because we couldn't incorporate with 10,000. So we had to pull in money from us.
Next question.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Jeremy De
Good
Guzman
afternoon.
from Ateneo School of Medicine and Public Health. I'd just like to ask, through your experience, first I'd like to clarify, your this corporation came about due to your experience with the Payatas workers, correct? So I was wondering if you can do this a process of finding a skill that the community has and then enriching it uh, to this kind of level with other skills. For example, you go to an area and you assess what this area can do, and then you try to emulate this model. Do you think that's possible? Thank you.
Thank you so much for your question, Jerome. Jeremy. Who's Jerome? Thank you. Yes, in fact, that's very possible. Thank you for your question because we're really expanding in that way. It's good that you mentioned because we're expanding in two ways. First, we're looking at some raw materials that corporations are giving us. So we're saying, okay, what can we do with these things and who's the community that can make this? And at the same time, we're looking at existing skills of communities from not yet all over the Philippines, pero medyo Metro Manila area and a little outside Metro Manila so that we could identify how else we can help them. So we're already expanding through different product lines. We also want to emphasize that Rags to Riches is not a fashion brand. It's a lifestyle brand. So we're eventually going through a lot of other products and there's space there for a lot of community. So if you have a community in mind, let us know. Thank you.
Next. Yes.
You wouldn't mind if I'm Attorney Villegas from law school.
Hi, Attorney Villegas.
You wouldn't mind if another group would be created like from waste to wealth.
No, it's okay.
Because I think this is a good model.
Yeah.
The whole solid waste laws is, the idea there is every barangay should have a materials recovery facility where you extract their things which can be recycled. I think that's it's a good input. Your model is a good one because you can get communities, get the recycled items, and look for market. I think that's where most of us can be involved in looking for markets for the recycled items. I think the Solid Waste Act really gives incentives for recycled products, and I think it's we're really inviting others really to create something like this from waste to wealth.
Sure, sir, no problem. Actually, we're really open to a lot more people. This is something that is part of the term, but I think this is something that's good to pirate. It's yung good kind of piracy. That people can actually learn from this model and do their own. That's really okay with us. In fact, that is one of the goals through positive influence. And actually, thank you very much, sir, for pointing out that the law is on our side. And also, just to share, we've realized that in Rags to Riches, the way we market things, it has been so successful that now our bottleneck and problem is production. So, but it doesn't mean that we're not looking for clients. We're still open for that. But we've realized that there's a lot of space in really getting more communities involved. It's just to share with you, out of siguro 100% of our demand, we're really just fulfilling 5% of it. Yeah, it's a big opportunity lost for now, but hopefully with more communities on board. Thank you.
Next question. Yes. Ma'am, bago po, napansin ko lang po kasi parang may chairs dito, naawa na po ako sa speaker natin.
Okay
I'll
lang
just
po.
invite her to sit.
It's okay. Kasi hindi na nila ako makikita.
Sorry po. Yes, ma'am.
Okay
Is
lang.
it your plan that if you will have like another community working on another product line, that community will also be a shareholder of Rags to Riches? Is that the plan?
Actually, ma'am, we are exploring this first. Yung the relationship between us and our current cooperative. Because as I mentioned, there are lots of cooperatives. I really don't know why, pero medyo marami talaga na namamatay. So we'd like to try out this model first before kami magkalat ng lagim. So